Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a free animated map in just a few minutes without editing software, and it's completely free. Okay, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and then just go to mult.dev like this, and then just log in with your Google account. It's super quick and no extra setup needed. And once you're inside, you will see the dashboard like this, where we can start creating our animated route. Just tap on create map animations, and then in here to add route just click on plus button, this one. But before that I will delete my previous route like this, and then just tap on the plus button. And here for free user you can only create a route by using AI generated prompts like this. And if you wanted to import directly from a Google Maps or your own files, it's only available for paid subscribers. So let's stick with the free options, and then just write a simple prompt in here. Just type your trip prompt. Maybe like this, and then after you're done write your prompt, just tap on generate like this, and then just tap on import like this. And next if you wanna choose the type of transportation, just click on this icon and then just choose your transportations in here. Now go to the settings menu, this one, just tap on it, and here you can adjust the map styles. In here you can select eco or earth styles, and then you can choose your aspect ratio that you want, and then next you can give it the title to your animations, and then even you can also add background music if you want. And in this tutorial I will just use earth styles, and then I will use square ratio. And then in here you can also select your background color in here, and then just type your title of the animations, and then if you wanna add a music, just choose your music in here. But in this tutorial I will make it without music. And once everything is set, just close the settings and then tap on preview. Like this. As you can see, you have just made a professional looking map animation for free without any editing software. And then if you want to download it, just click on export and then just choose your resolutions and then just click on download. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.